So, hindi nag-materialize yung deal ng dalawa. Ang Terra Firma ay patuloy pa rin sasali sa atin.
And with those words by PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial, it's official, Terra Firma is staying in the PBA. Ako po si Ruben Terrado ng Spin.ph. Thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel. At himayin natin yung naging announcement ni PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial as well as PBA Legal Counsel OG Narvasa na yun na nga binalita nila na Terra Firma is staying in the PBA dahil nag-back down yung talks between Terra Firma and Zamboanga Valientes on a possible sale. So yan na po yung nangyari Actually, nagkaroon po ng board meeting ng PBA nung Thursday at ngayon lang po nila isiniwalat nung halftime nung Game 3 ng PBA Commissioners Cup PBA Philippine Cup Finals between TNT and San Miguel. Yung balita nga na hindi na natuloy yung sale ng Terra Firma franchise sa Zamboanga Valientes. Ayon kay Legal Counsel OG Narvasa nga ay meron mga hindi na pagkasunduan yung dalawang panig when it comes to the sale of the franchise ng Terra Firma dito nga sa Zamboanga Valientes. So with that, maglalaro pa rin ng Terra Firma in the 50th season of the PBA, meaning 12 teams po ang maglalaro sa PBA sa next season dahil nga magi-stay itong Terra Firma. So, meron nga mga bali-balita na magdi-disband na itong Terra Firma, but with this development, na hindi nga natuloy yung sale ng Terra Firma sa Zamboanga Valientes, ay magpapatuloy pa rin ang Terra Firma sa paglalaro sa PBA. So, again, nabanggit ni Legal Counsel OG Narvasa na based from their conversation with Terra Firma Team Governor Bobby Rosales, ay now they are in the process of building the team again dahil as of now, according to PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial, they have 7 players na under contract and 4 na walang contract pero yung rights nila ay owned pa rin ng Terra Firma. So again, according to Legal Counsel OG Narvasa, is yun ang plano ni Team Governor Bobby Rosales. They will be building the team, they will beef up their roster, and they intend to form a full lineup. So yan po yung latest yung pag-stay ng Terra Firma sa PBA after several talks may talk na ibebenta, may talk na magdidisband na ng Terra Firma, and now finally we get the news na they will be staying in the PBA. Again, umani ito ng iba-ibang comments, actually mostly negative dahil nga dahil sa maraming nag-expect na yung tong Terra Firma ay meron nang bibili sa Terra Firma franchise, but ayun na nga nangyari, hindi natuloy yung bentahan, and Terra Firma is here to stay sa PBA at least in the 50th season. So pakinggan natin yung sinabi ni PBA Legal Counsel OG Narvasa with regards to Terra Firma staying in the PBA, what happened, bakit hindi natuloy yung sale, at yun nga, yung mga statements nga ni based from their conversation with Terra Firma Team Governor Bobby Rosales.
Well, yung meeting, sinabi ni Governor Bobby na they have their plans already. So it's something, they have their plans to beef up their lineup. So hindi naman sinabi sa amin paano. Siyempre, hindi na sasabihin strategy nila yun. So, but he has plans to beef up and have a full lineup. Yeah, lumabas, there were terms and requirements by both teams. Hindi nag-meet. Siyempre, alam niyo yung negotiation, diba? May hihingi isa, mukhang hindi nagkasundo. So it's a mutual decision not to pursue the sale and purchase.
Possibly.
At the moment, there's no, they did not mention that.
Ayun, referring po yan dun sa kung for sale pa ba yung Terra Firma franchise, no? Yun yung huling naging statement ni Legal Counsel Ogie Narvasa na walang nababanggit ang Terra Firma kung they are still for sale, no? Yung kanilang prangkisa. So, yun po yung naging latest, no, with regards to the Terra Firma franchise. And again, umani to ng iba't ibang komento, iba't ibang kuro-kuro. And again, mostly, unfortunately, negative dahil nga dun sa naging reputation ng Terra Firma na binabanggit nga ng ating mga fans na quote-unquote farm team dahil nga dun sa mga lopsided trades di umano. At yun nga, nakita na natin yung mga comments no, sa ating YouTube channel dahil na-post po natin yung full press conference, no, with regards to the announcement that Terra Firma is staying in the PBA. Sabi nga ni Alan Alonte, wag na kayong sumali jeep at lalo kung magiging kulelat yung team. Sabi rin ni James Matarong Official 7886, patuloy pa din silang manggugulo sa PBA. So yan po, ganyan po yung mga naging komento ng mga fans na with regards to the Terra Firma franchise staying in the PBA. So kayo po, ano po ang inyong komento with regards to this development, no, of Terra Firma staying in the PBA? Just comment down below at we will appreciate your comments dito po sa ating video, no. So yun na po, no. Yan po yung ating maikling recap. Mabilisan lang po na recap with regards to the latest development on the Terra Firma franchise. Again, the Terra Firma Jeep are here to stay in the PBA. Thank you for watching our video. Ako po ulit si Ruben Terrado. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel.